Hi, my name is Shanika. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be doing a review on the Mane Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Hair Mask. If you want to see how it applies and hear my thoughts about it, then keep on watching. Okay, so the deep conditioner is all rinsed out of my hair. This is 8 fluid ounces. This is how they have their packaging, purple and gold. All of this here is where the product is. This is just the top. So if I take that off and then showed you, you know. Okay, so I would say there's only like a quarter left in here, a fourth of the whole thing. So I didn't use all of it. The consistency of it is like almost like a pudding. I would say it's close to the leave-in conditioner to this Ancient Egyptian line. If you've ever tried that leave-in, it's close to that consistency, but just a little bit thicker. Like it's in my mind, I'm thinking more of like a pudding. So it's thick, but it's still loose, not thick like a butter. It smells sweet, almost like how the Ancient Egyptian line gel smells, but not as strong, you know, but it does have that sweet scent in it. So seems like they wanted to like keep that scent going across the board. When I applied the mask on, it applied on smooth. And as I was putting it on, my hair felt really soft. Like it just felt soft. That's how I could describe it. It felt soft. It felt like it was being moisturized. And I really liked that feeling. So I felt like it was already starting to work on my hair. Now that my hair has been rinsed out, I could see that I had, you know, my hair was defined. There was a lot of definition. I can also see that like my curls, they'd spring back, you know, so the elasticity is there. And my hair also is moisturized. There's definitely feel moisture in my hair. And in terms of the strengthening, so I know this is supposed to be like anti-breakage and repair. So with the curls coming back, like popping, like, and me having the elasticity, I could see if your curls were probably a little bit limp and they needed something extra to help boost it up, this would be something that I would say you probably go for to help boost your curls. I use this one because I've been using a lot of moisture deep conditioners, and I like to balance it, moisture and then a strengthening deep conditioner to keep that moisture protein balance. And usually strengthening deep conditioner, when I say that, I mean something that has a little bit more protein that will add strength into my hair. So this, since this had like the anti-breakage and repair, definitely wanted to use something like that before I go in for my next style, which is coming up after this. But before I go in, I wanted to use that. So, you know, it says that it rejuvenates, conditions, and hydrates hair. So I do feel like my hair is conditioned, hydrated. You know, if they mean rejuvenate by like the elasticity and the curls coming back to life, then I would say that, you know, my hair just feels really nice and soft and conditioned. And I do feel like, yes, like my curls are there, they're showing. And it does feel like even on the ends of my hair, they feel good. Like I know I've probably stated in some video that like I felt like my ends need a little extra as my hair has been getting longer, and I feel like I need to put extra on the ends. And so the ends of my hair does feel moisturized and conditioned. It also says that it's supposed to prevent and repair cuticle damage. That I'm not too sure of. Maybe I'd have to like continuously use it. Overall, this did really well. This was my first time using it. Again, some of these things that are in there that they claim to do, you would just have to use it more over time and more consistently so that you can say, okay, yeah, this, you've gotten this from this deep conditioner, and like you really feel that. But again, my hair feels very soft, conditioned, it feels moisturized, I have elasticity, my hair is bouncing back. I would recommend you try it out. And if you need something that is going to be anti-breakage repair, you really need that, as well as something that would really condition your hair, make your hair feel moisturized, I say give it a try. If you've gotten value out of this video, then like this video and share it with your friends and family. Comment down below, have you tried this deep conditioner before? If you have, how did you like it? Do you feel like it's more of a moisturizing deep conditioner than a strengthening one? Or have you used it consistently enough to see like a difference, like it's really kind of helped repair and get your hair and your curls back to life? Let me know in the comments down below. I would like to know. And let me know any other suggestions on other deep conditioners that you would like me to try and review. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my future video uploads. You definitely don't want to miss out on the next video coming up after this. And before you go, check out one of my next videos. I'll have the video links coming up right after this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in that next video. Click on one of those videos.